Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkin's Nurseries, and today we want to give you a little bit of greenhouse update because man, things sure change here in just 1 week. So if you haven't come in the last little bit, we're going to show you a little video of everything that's happening here and give you a little greenhouse update. So just this last little while at Sipkin's Nurseries, we've brought up a huge assortment of proven winner annuals, many beautiful new varieties, beautiful plants, nice and lush, covered in blooms. Love these bidens. This is a new one called Campfire Flame. So you can see all our benches here are filled. Along with our proven winners annuals, we also have a beautiful selection here of homegrown annuals by Sipkin's Nurseries in both a 4-inch and 5-inch pot. You'll find things like begonias, New Guinean patience, million bells, petunias, and much, much more. Beautiful geraniums are always a favorite here at Sipkin's. And of course, we always have an incredible selection of annual patio pots ready for your deck and gardens. Our annual hanging baskets, man, are they filling in nicely. We've also recently unloaded 10 carts of homegrown houseplants. All the tables are fully stocked. Lots of color and vibrancy, giving you some great jungle vibes here at Sipkin's. In our back annual growing area, while we still have a little room on the benches, you can see we're unpacking boxes and boxes of things like watering cans, new spring decor. Love these little llama and unicorn planters. Fun little bunnies, rain gauges, and little spring frogs. We've just stocked up our water plants, both hardy and tropical. And over here, we've just got our fish tanks running. We hope to have fish in about 1 week. Of course, another popular question is, what do you have up for fruits and veggies? Well, we have a great assortment in stock right now and more being brought up weekly. Many of your cold crops and a good selection of tomatoes. Beautiful strawberries, lots of berry bushes outside. And our fruit trees, we hope to have more out mid-May. Every week here at Sipkin's Nurseries, you'll notice new displays to catch your eye, what's blooming now, and great gifts. Of course, every time you come to Sipkin's Nurseries, you will notice and find something new, like this new pottery that just arrived. Heading out into our perennial and nursery stock department, you will see benches are loaded. We constantly stock up varieties of perennials. They come in 3 different sizes. If you come into Sipkin's and you don't see something you're looking for, chances are we're growing it in the back, and check back again in a week and it'll be stocked up again. You'll find loads of spring color. And our talented staff always creates beautiful, fresh displays. We have our full selection of shrubs, trees, and evergreens available here at Sipkin's Nurseries. Hundreds of varieties, many homegrown here. And when you come in, if you listen closely, you'll even hear the birds chirping. Full selection of hydrangeas here, many in bud, ready to bloom. So there you have it, a little spring update here at Sipkin's Garden Center. We are open for retail shopping Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. And we thank you so much for shopping local.